Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to scan links and fix the broken ones on your site. We will demonstrate the process with BetterLinks. Make sure you have installed and activated BetterLinks Free and Pro on your website. Let's start by navigating to BetterLinks from your dashboard, and then select the link scanner option. From here, you will have the ability to schedule your broken link scanner based on your preferences. You can choose the frequency of the scan, whether it is daily, weekly, or at a specific time that works best for you to audit website links. Now, head over to the Full Site Link Scanner tab. Here, you will need to select the type of content you want to scan, whether it is specific posts, pages, or even all of them across your website. After you have made your selections, just click on the Start New Scan button. As the scan progresses, you will see a list of all found links. These will be organized by link label, status, post title, post type, and actions. Important thing to note, if you switch away from the scanning window while it is running, the scan will pause. When you return, simply click the Resume Scan button, and the process will resume exactly where it left off. When the scan is finished, you will get a complete summary of the results, including the total number of links, broken links, and any with a 403 forbidden status. Let's see how to fix those broken links. You can easily search for specific links or filter by status. If you want to inspect a particular link, click the Actions tab next to it. From there, you will be able to view the link status, and then click to visit the page where the link is located. Once you are on the page, click the Edit Post icon. It will take you to the post. Then search the link preview text you want to edit. Once you find it, click on the Edit button. Replace the link and click on the Enter button. Finally, hit the Save button. And that is how easy it is to use the link scanner in BetterLinks. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe. See you next time.